Andrew Davidson has two stones, a traditional headstone and a military marker. A military marker was especially difficult to read. Andrew was born in Ireland in 1819. He moved to Canada when he was 12. 4 years later, he moved to Fairfield County. Andrew worked on a farm and attended school. He graduated with honors from the Medical University in Baltimore. Andrew began his medical practice in Amanda and married Sarah Moody in 1849. In 1863, he joined the U.S. Army as an assistant surgeon in the Civil War. Andrew joined General Grant at the Siege of Vicksburg in Mississippi. He volunteered for a dangerous mission, joining a group of men to run the batteries. This involved trying to sneak past Confederate cannon fire in darkness to get supplies. During the attempt, his boat was sunk and he was taken prisoner. Andrew was released after a prisoner exchange. He returned home in 1863. Unfortunately, his wife, Sarah, died 1 year later. Andrew would never remarry. In 1866, he purchased the Kaufman Pharmacy on Main Street. Andrew ran the pharmacy with his son until he retired due to failing health. In 1892, he was rewarded for his brave attempt to run the battery during the Civil War. Andrew was given the Medal of Honor, a distinction etched on his military marker. 9 years later, he passed away. Andrew is buried at Forest Rose, next to his wife.